Hey guys, imagine buying Bitcoin at a lower price and then selling it instantly for profit without trading experience. In today's video, I'm going to show you a real arbitrage strategy using $100 capital where you buy BTC on Wix platform and sell it on Bybit for profit. This is not theory. I'll break it down step by step so even a beginner can follow and start immediately. Make sure you watch till the end because missing one step can cost you profit. So guys, currently I'm on the Wix platform and this is one of the apps I'm going to be using to explain today's strategy. In case you are a new user and you don't have a registered Wix account, you can use my referral link on the description or in the comment section to get started. And yes, once you sign up and complete your first deposit, you may also be eligible for a welcome bonus of up to $500. Guys, let's get back to business. Let me show you exactly where the opportunity is. Guys, for those of you that already have a registered Wix account, all you have to do is come over to the market section of the Wix platform over here. And then once you are in this spot, I want you guys to be coming over to the sports trading side over at the market section. Make sure that you are at the sports market. Because with the sports market, once you buy crypto assets, you can transfer them from one account to another. Guys, this is the BTC to USDT pair over here, and in case you want to use any other pair of your choice, you can come over to this side and change it, and you'll be seeing a various list of crypto assets at which you can trade with. But for today's video, I want to be using the BTC to USDT pair to explain this strategy for you guys. So I'll be selecting on the BTC to USDT pair. So guys, as you can see, the current market price for the BTC to USDT pair is at a rate of $69,410 at this side currently. So guys, if we are to be buying BTC worth of $100 at this rate, we are going to be receiving a total of 0.00144,136 TC. So guys, after buying this BTC, I'm sure you must be curious as to where can you sell it to make good profit. So guys, just follow me through. I'll be explaining this for you practically. So guys, this is the Bybit app. You can get the app from either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store depending on the device that you're using. I'll also be dropping my referral link for the Bybit on the comment or description section for those of you that want to get started. Guys, once you're on the Bybit app, I want you guys to be coming over to the P2P trading section over here. To get over here, guys, I want you guys to be coming to the sales section, and I want you guys to make sure that the current pair over here is at the BTC and at the USDT pair currently. Guys, as you can see, currently the BTC to USDT pair over at the Bybit P2P trading section is at a rate of $90,227 currently over here. So actually reduce it, you should filter out the amount. I want you guys to come over here to this amount side to filter this amount to a quantity of $100 because we use the capital of $100 to indulge in this process. To filter this amount, you still be selling your BTC at this side at a rate of $90,227 over here at this side. So guys, before you go ahead to proceed, I want you guys to make sure that the merchant that you are going to be performing trade with, make sure that they are a verified merchant and make sure they have the order completion rate over here at this side so that you will not encounter any problem once ever you are trading with them. Once you've checked and you have made sure that he's a verified merchant and he has a good completion rate, I want you guys to proceed to sell just like this merchant over here. So guys, if you want to be selling quantity of BTC to this merchant over here, as you can see, we're going to be receiving a total of $130 total cashback. $130 is what we'll be receiving once we sell the BTC, and we used a capital of $100 to start this process. So as you can see, we'll be making a total of about $30 profit per transaction if we are to make this process. One of the good side about arbitrage is that you can do this process over and over again to make multiple profits. As you can see, if you have to be doing this process for 3 times in one day, you're going to be making about $90 per day. This is a good amount of profit we're making in one day. Alright guys, that's exactly how this BTC arbitrage strategy works step by step. As you can see, with just $100, potentially make up to $30 profits per transaction depending on the market conditions. Remember, these opportunities don't last forever, so always check the price differences before executing any trade, and make sure to only trade with verified merchants with a high completion rate. Now, very important, if you don't already have an account on the Wix platform, you can use my referral link in the description or in the comment section to get started. You might also be eligible for up to $500 welcome bonus when you make your first deposit, so it is a great way to start. Also, if you're just finding my channel for the first time, welcome. I regularly share practical arbitrage strategies like this step by step so you can see real profit and learn how to take action. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future updates that I drop. For those of you who want more exclusive insights, I have a dedicated Telegram group where I drop real-time tips, arbitrage opportunities, and market updates that I don't always share on my YouTube channel. So I'll leave the link in the description section and in the comment section. You can also join my WhatsApp group to get instant alerts and strategies as soon as I find them. Joining these groups is the best way to stay ahead and consistently find profitable opportunities like this. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, leave a comment with any question, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's keep growing profit together. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next one.